Hi, good day everyone. So, today's topic is about multiplying mixed fraction. So, saan mo na to? Pag-multiply sa mixed fraction. So, first na itong button is atong i-change ang mixed fraction into improper fraction. So, 1 and 1 half times 3 and 1 half ato siyang i-change into improper fraction. So, first step na itong button is itong kopyahon 1 and 1 half is equal to change na to into improper fraction ang 1 and 1 half una. So kini 2 times 1 is 2 times 1 plus 1 and kopyahon na to 2. So therefore 2 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 3 over 2. So ang 1 and 1 half mahimo na nga 3 over 2. So nahimo ng improper fraction. Improper fraction tungod kay dako ang numerator kaysa denominator. So 3 over 2. Next is ang 3 and 1 half. Itong i-change into improper fraction. Kining 3 and 1 half mixed fraction na siya. So same process. So 2 times 3 2 times 3 plus 1. Kopyahon na to ang 2. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7 and kopyahon na to ang 2 na denominator. So ang atong bago nga numerator is 7, ang atong denominator is 2. So mao na atong answer. So ato na nakuha na change into improper fraction ang 1 and 1 half ug ang 3 and 1 half. Check na ta. So therefore plus ang 1 and 1 half times 3 and 1 half is equal to n. Mahimo na will became 3 over 2 times 7 over 2 is equal to n. So now pwede na ta mag-multiply. Okay, nahimo naman nato into improper fraction ang kining mixed fraction. So let's multiply 3 over 2 times 7 over 2 is equal to, so yun na ito na linya. So multiply na to numerator to numerator o denominator to denominator. So 3 times 7 ug sa ubos 2 times 2 equal to 21 over 4. So nag-ingon niya, simplify your answer into simplest form or lowest term. So nakita na to nga improper fraction ang atong answer. So atong i-rename into mixed fraction para simplest form ang atong answer. So sa itong buhaton, let's divide 21 and 4. So ang 21 atong i-divide sa 4. So 21 divide 4, that is 5. So 5 times 4 is 20. So let's subtract 21 minus 20 is 1. So ang 1 atong himuon nga numerator ug ang 4 mo na to denominator. So, ang atong answer, itong final answer nato is 5 and 1/4. So, mao na ang atong answer. So, na-answer na nato ang 3/2 times 7/2 is equal to n. So, that is our final answer. Okay, another example. So, 2 and 3/4 times 1 and 1/4 is equal to n. So, same process atong baton. Atong imuon nga improper fraction ang 2 and 3/4 o 1 and 1/4. So, now na to ang 2 and 3/4. 2 and 3/4 is equal to 4 times 2. 4 times 2 plus 3. And then, copy ang 4. So, 2 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. Kopyahan na ito ang 4. Next, 1 and 1/4. So, magkakaroon ito linya. So, 4 times 1 plus 1. Piyon na itong 4 is equal to 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. And kopyahon na ito ang 4. So, mao na atong answer. So, nahimo na natong improper fraction. 11/4 and 5/4. So, kini mahimo nini nga 11/4 times 5/4 is equal to n. Okay? Okay, next. Continue atong pag-multiply. So, numerator and denominator. So, kopyahan na ito otro. 11/4 times 5/4. So, maka-multiply na ta. So, 11 times 5 is 55. Kopyahan ko na ito ang 4. So, since improper fraction wala, atong himuon nga i-transform na ito into simplest form. So, improper, atong himuon nga mixed fraction. So, itong buhaton is i-divide na ito ang 55 divide 4. So, itong multiply na ito ang 4 divide 5. So, 4 divide 5 is 1. And 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract na ito. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down 5. So, 15 divide 4 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So, 15 minus 12, that is 3. So, kung divide na ito ang 4 divide 3 cannot be. So, ang 3 himo na ito nga numerator, ang 4 himo na ito nga denominator. So, ang atong final answer is 13 and 3/4. So, muna ang atong answer. So, therefore, 2 and 3/4 times 1 and 1/4 is 13 and 3/4. Okay. Another example, 1 and 2/5 times 1 and 1/3. So, more gyapon nga process atong i-rename into improper fraction. So, yun na to. 1 and 2/5. So, mo proper, no? So, 5 times 1 plus 2. Next, copy na to ang 5. So, 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. And kopyahon na to ang 5. Next, ang 1 and 1/3. So, 3 times 1 plus 1. Kopyahon na to ang 3. So, therefore, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4 over 3. So, ato nang improper fraction ang 1 and 2/5 o ang 1 and 1/3. So, kini mahimo ning 7 over 5 times 4 over 3 is equal to n. So, pwede na tayo mag-multiply. So, kopyaw na to. 7 over 5 times 4 over 3 is equal to, so let's multiply 7 times 4 and 5 times 3. So, this is 28 and this is 15. So, atong is simplest form ang atong answer since that is improper fraction. So, atong i-divide 28 divide 15. So, kana na. So, 28 divide 15 is 1. So, 1 times 15 is 15. So, let's subtract. So, this is 8 minus 5 is 3 and 2 minus 1 is 13. So, therefore, 13 ay mong numerator, ang 15 ginamit dito. So, ang atong final answer is 1 and 13 over 15. So, mauna atong final answer in simplest form. Simplest form. Okay?